never seen the flooding this bad. They'd built dams around here before, but never like this. What's going on?
Such language! It's no use. They won't listen to a word I say.
You see Discord's behind all this, right?
Oh, of course I do. Do you all think I'm a silly, gullible fool?
Oh, only in the sense of being silly and gullible.
No, exactly.
I've just been trying to gain his friendship any way I can, so he'd come to trust and listen to me.
Hey there, Fluttershy. You want to turn the waters? Great!
Time to see if it worked.
Fluttershy! Oh, there you are. A sight for sore eyes.
As you can see, there's a big mess down here at Sweet Apple Acres.
Oh, yes. Awful business, that.
It is awful. This is Applejack's home, and it's being destroyed by innocent creatures who would never be acting this way if it weren't for your reckless behavior. You need to fix this.
Well, yes, very well. I will fix it. I only ask one thing in return.
Yes?
I ask that you never use your element of harmony against me. As a sign of our friendship.
I will never use my element of harmony against you.
Excellent! There! Much better! I do prefer ice skating to water skiing, don't you?
Discord! That's not fixing it! Why, I oughta...
Where are you going? What's wrong, pal?
Don't call me your pal!
Oh, come skating with me, and we'll let bygones be bygones.
Here you go, Fluttershy. Game on! He fixes this or he goes back to being stone.
Princess Celestia will understand.
I made a promise not to use my element against him, and I'm going to keep it.
You see? She wants to have fun with me because we're friends. She can't use the elements against me because we're friends. I'm free forever.
Not your friend!
Who cares? I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. I'm Discord, the master of chaos. You think you can boss Discord around? You think I'm just going to turn all this back because you say so? Because if I don't, I'll lose the one friend I ever had? Huh. Oh. Well played, Fluttershy. Well played. I liked it better my way, but I guess when you're friends, you can't always have things exactly your way all the time.